This will be the elevators at 1 East parking garage here in downtown Tucson. Oh. And it looks like they don't work. These are deactivated. Okay, there we go. Hello.
Get to lower levels, can we?
Not sure. Yeah, it works.
Okay. Hey, excuse me.
Are you going anywhere?
No, I'm just taking a video of the elevator.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm an elevator enthusiast.
All right. Maybe you can tell me what 1R stands for.
One rear. Yeah. So this would
Front?
be that would be the rear door.
It's not.
Or this could, one of them can be the rear.
That's the front door.
Oh, okay. Then this one's the rear.
I think it's one road.
Oh, road. Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you. Okay. Let's take one more right on these. Let's go to B, and we're going to get off at 1. Get off at 1, and we're going to end the video there. I know Jim Lee will love this elevator. It's an Otis Gen 2. Happen to find quite a few of these here in Tucson.